Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Chemical Guys 5-gallon bucket dolly. Now the one thing you'll notice about this bucket dolly is every single wheel has a lock on it. Now it does roll really easy, and you've got these big screws you can turn in to lock the bucket in place. This assembly is pretty simple. You do have to put these wheels in. Now that rod that goes in, that plastic, is a little bit of a tight fit, so you may have to like put a punch right here and kind of hammer it in a little bit. That was probably the hardest part. Now, I got it to put a Yeti 5-gallon bucket in there. It fits perfect. The Yeti is a pretty heavy-duty bucket. This thing still rolls really nice. You can screw these down to lock it into place. But it'll also fit a standard 5-gallon bucket. You know, you got a little bit more play, but then you can just screw these out to lock it into place. You got 3 of those. All right, the opening, 11 inches exactly. Inside opening or tallness is 3.5. Overall, it's right at 6.5. And with the wheels, the maximum width's about 15. But again, each one locks. And then the clearance, oh, it looks like about almost 2.25 inches for clearance. Now, there are no attachments. Like some of these dollies will have little plastics that come out and you can put like a brush in or something. This is just the dolly itself. Again, the wheels seem heavy duty. I don't know that I need one that has every wheel that locks, but it does give you the option no matter where it is. You'll always have at least one wheel you could lock. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.